For our second holiday treat, what are we working with?
We've got a cacao and mint smoothie. So
Sounds
let's
good.
start.
Okay.
So we're going to take a quarter of an avocado and start with that. Now the avocado is really rich in vitamin E.
Some people are afraid of avocado because they think it has a ton of fat in it.
Right.
So is that something to avoid?
Absolutely not. So avocado has a fat in it that's so unique that it gets into the cell and protects it from degradation. And when cells start to degrade, that's when we age.
So is this better than coffee?
Oh, this is so much better than coffee, but forget about the avocado. What's more amazing than coffee is the chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants, and so it's very, very vitalizing. It also helps to alkalize the body when you have the acidity of coffee. So to me, those two go hand in hand.
So skip the coffee and just have this, or have this and the coffee.
Yes, you can do both, because this provides the alkalinity to the acidity of the coffee. Okay. And so what you do, you take a dropper of the chlorophyll, and you can just pick this up from a health food store or Whole Foods. And it makes the smoothie really, really green. Then we're going to put the almond milk into it, the same as the last one. So a cup of almond milk. And normally when I'm doing this, I do not measure it out. I just pour it straight into the blender.
And if someone's not vegan, can they put regular milk in?
Yes, they can. It will triple the calorie count.
Okay, so we're keeping it light by putting almond milk in it.
Yep. So here, this is about a 250 calorie smoothie. You've got 40 calories for the almond milk. With skim milk, you'll be looking at about 120 calories there.
Is this something that could substitute breakfast?
This is breakfast. This is what I have. And then you've got 2 tablespoons of that same raw vegan protein powder that I was using before in the previous one. And then you put just a little handful of spinach into it. So spinach will give you all of those antioxidant phytonutrients and more of the chlorophyll. Then you have some cacao nibs here. And these are 100% cacao, so really intensely rich in those flavonoids and those antioxidants. So we're going to use, anywhere from a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half here. And to make it mint, that's the chlorophyll. The mint is in the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is flavored with the mint. So now we're going to blend it.
Okay.
This is really amazing.
Really green.
That's the chlorophyll making it really green.
I'm sure the spinach is going to make it taste a little vegetable-y.
Not at all. Not at all. So here, I just want you to try this. See how thick it is?
Merry Fitmas. Oh, that's delicious.